Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2015 Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 610 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Bianco Icarus Metallic exterior and Bianco Elegante interior. This Huracan comes well optioned including navigation, red calipers, transparent engine bonnet, forged composites engine bay, sport exhaust system with black finishers, rear camera with parking sensors, front lift system, multifunction steering wheel, dynamic power steering, contrast stitching, electric and heated seats, and much more.